Hello, this is Victor for Monday, May 22nd. And on this video, I'm just going to go and review the setups that triggered and from my last week's stock picks. This kind of will help me review over my trades and point out the areas that I need to do improvement on. As far as the most important of all is keeping your losses short and try to let your winners run. So let's just get started real quick. Here we got BIIB, as you can see here, got triggered in on this day here. Let's zoom in a little bit, make it easier for everybody. Right here. So I got in here, set a stop right down here with a target right there, which is a 2-to-1 profit ratio, or risk to reward, rather. So I am risking 1.4% to make 2.8%, and this is what has happened. It pulled back, and I sold here for a small loss on this one. So it's slightly under my stop loss area, but still within manageable. Going over to CAG. Here's another one here. Entered here on this day here. Trade all over the place, going downward. Got out on this exit right here. And we are looking around maybe a 3% down exit here. So that's 2 out. Next one, CCL. On this one here, entered here, got triggered in, broke above the 5. It continued to go up. We had a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Reason being is I was pretty nervous as far as the market's pulling back. So I wanted to make sure it was a quick in and out. So in this case here, I got out on my position here, did an exit with a 6.2%. Another one is SOXL. As you can see here, now this is one of my more ideal trades. Is I entered here, and it was set up for a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio with a stop down here. As you could see, it came pretty close in this area, but still stayed in, and then it went up to my first target, which was the see here if I could see the percentage. 7.3%. To my take profits, half, and then continued, move my stop loss here, and continue up to let's see here if I got the risk to reward ratio written down here. Yeah, let's pull this up. I think it's 4.5, and got out with another 6.9% on this one. So I got out, closed the position, and you can see it still continued, and it's floating around in this area. And then also got TNA. Pretty much same story. Got in here, pulled back, continued up, got out my position. Yeah, let's see here. Trying to determine the right here, right on this candle here, the red one. So I got out here, trying right where it saw the pulling back. So I got out of that one. And here we go on this other one here, TQQ. You can see, got in here, started to go up. It took some profits here, closed half of my position, let the rest ride, went all the way up here, and I figured, hey, this is a big bar, better get out. So I exit out in this range over here. Next one, UDOW, which is the Dow triple leverage. And on this one here, I entered right in this, based on this dip here, kind of more of a intuition rather than a setup. It bounced around, almost triggered my exit right here, down, you can see, went all the way down here, but then it reversed, went up to this point, closed my position, and now it pulled back. So I'm out of that one. UGL, which is Ultra Gold. That one here I got in and got stopped out right over here. UNG, I got in on this candle here and I got out right up here. Take some profits. UPRO, which is S&P Ultra, got in on this candle here, traded around, hit my take profits and got out. Western Union, let's see, I got in here on this candle, pulled back, went around, and I exited on this candle right here on this, around this area here, exit. And those were my trades that I closed. Let's look at a couple of my open trades that are still going on. You can see here, this one's still trying to figure out what it's going to do. Entered here, and it's kind of trading in the red right now. Keeping an eye on my stop loss. Definitely put my alerts at the bottom, so while I'm at work, if it gets triggered, I could take a look at it at my break and make a decision. Same thing with our IRM. It's trading sideways in the red. MDT, this one here now gotten into the green, looking for take profit up in this area. And that's pretty much it that I wanted to share. And let's see here, we'll go over real quick what I see as far as this week's stocks to watch here. And here we go. AXSM, and what you can see here, I got a pullback. Now this is all based on the strategy number 2 that I use, which basically is looking at the RSI 2 and 5. This one is the 2, below is the 5. Actually, it's the I take that back. Strategy number 2 consists of the RSI 2 only, and the stock is on a bullish uptrend. So that is my strategy playbook on this one. And you can see it had dipped under the 10 reading. So now I'm looking for an entry. As you can see here, I have a setup to get enter. And what I do is, based on this daily, I go over to the 2 hour, or actually 4 hour, take that back, on the 4 hour, and looking at the 5-day moving average in the 4 hour. If it closes above here, then I will go long. I would take, it would trigger to buy. Same thing with CCEP. You can see here the entry. It's been pulling back. CX, also here. Let's see if we get a bounce. DHI, looking for a bounce also. Again, everything's based on the 5-day moving average on the 4 hour chart. GFL, looking for a bounce. KBH, MDLZ, PBR, PHM, and the last one, TGTX. So hopefully you guys could write this down if you like. And these are the trades that I'm going to be watching this week and go from there. So wish me luck, and keep your eyes open for the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.